Hello everybody, welcome back to Lion Bull Academy. Hoy we continue with the next lection of the basic course and how to use Etoro. We are now studying the platform and let's continue with the different kind of instruments you can buy or sell inside of the platform Etoro. And in this special occasion, we're gonna learning about the stocks, the stock market. Okay, let's pass to the next screen and let's begin. For we go searching all the different kind of markets we can buy or sell inside of the platform eToro, we need to go here in the zone Discover, where it's writing Trade Markets. Here we have all the available markets and instruments for trade inside of eToro. We have market movers, we have about technology, that is stocks, we have ETF, cryptos, index, major currencies, commodities. We have really plenty of instruments to trade with and make growing as account. So if we click here in the first, that is what we're gonna study today, we have the stocks. We click here and we have all the stock available in the platform of eToro that are really a lot. I think more than 200 or no, I think it's 600 something. I really don't remember right how many, but really a lot. Example, we can explore the stock, which stock we want to buy by industry. We can choose basic material, conglomerate, consumer goods, financial, healthcare, industrial goods, service, technology, and utilities. Here we have by industry or by industries. Or we can choose by exchange, it means by the different part of the world. We have Amsterdam, Brussels, Copenhagen, Frankfurt, Helsinki, Hong Kong, Lisbon, London, Madrid, Milan, Nasdaq, Nice, also Paris, Oslo, sorry, Paris, Saudi Arabia, Stockholm, and Zurich. Let's concentrate with the Nasdaq and the Nice this time. Okay, let's start with the Nasdaq. Here we have all the available stock of Nasdaq. That is 377 stock inside of eToro. What is the first step? When we click in Nasdaq, they coming to us this screen and we can see all the stock available 1 to 50. You see, if you want to see a new page, you just need to click in this arrow here and you can pass to the next page and continue looking for more stocks. Then we have here a filter. Then we can filter if we want by industry. We can choose like stock financial, gonna show all the financial, but not gonna show us the stock how we want to look. We are just concentrate in the exchange type. So we continue with that Nasdaq. Let's now we can change the view. Now here we have in horizontal view, but we can have also in quadrat view. We can say it's mosaic, really mosaic view, I think is the right name to say. That you can see faster the name, the change in the day, and the button sell and buy. This is nice to have in a separate screen when you want to buy or sell faster. It's great to have like a button separately. But for have better information, we put in horizontal view, where we have a better information also about the sentiment of the market inside of eToro. Okay, let's explain what is each one. The first is the name of the stock. The second one is the change he have it in price and in percentage. And here you can see the graphic. You can change the graphic for make in a week or in a month, and will change also change the change part here. Okay, let's put back in 1 day. Then we have the sell button if we want to be short in the market and try to make money by selling the stock instead of buy. We have the buy if we think that the market gonna go up, is for go long. We just call like this. Buy is low, go long. It means that we want to make money by the price going up. Sell is going short. It means that we won't make money by the price going down. Okay. Then we have here the 52-week range. It means the movement he do in the past 52 weeks till today. We can see here the minimum and the maximum and where he is actually. Then we have the sentiment, what are doing the traders inside of Etoro. You can see the 99% of the people is in buy. You can add this stock to your portfolios in the last button here. Okay, now, yes, I explained here we have the stocks, nice, but what is exactly a stock? A stock is really a part of a company. Let me explain you more easy. When a company need to raise money for expand and become more big one, what he do it is take one part of his company, like we say let's say my company costs 500 euro and I want to raise money. Then I take half of my company, 250 euro of what costs my company, and transform in a stock. What is a stock? Is divide this 250 euro in many different parts for selling, let's say, one stock, 1 euro. So I take this stock, this 250 stock that I create, and put inside of the exchange. In this case, the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is one exchange where every company can put their stocks and selling to the public, to the investor like us. So I take my company, take the half, it means 250 euro, divide in each euro one stock, and I have 250 stock. I take this stock and put in the exchange. Then when coming the investor, they buy that stock for me. Let's say I put it up because I think I'm gonna expand very stronger. Okay, let's say we put for 1 euro. I raise now 250 euro more because still I have my complete capital of my company. It's just that this is like they now, and the investor who buy my stocks, who buy the part of my company, they now own a part of that company. So they buy because they think in the future my company will cost more. And thank you for them. I have now this cash that they give me for, I give them this piece of the company, and I can expand my company and make more big one with that cash that I get now. And why an investor buy a piece of company? Like here you have one example. Here you have, this is my company, I divide in many pieces, and when you bought a piece, now you own one part of the company. Why the investor buy the stock? Because they believe in my business and they think that by the course of the time I'm gonna be more big one and my company gonna have more value because I'm gonna make more money. So each stock will increase in value. If now was cost just 1 euro for each stock, let's imagine I make a beautiful phone and I start selling very good and I increase my value of my company. Before was 500 euro, now it's 1000 euro. Then the stocks will increase in price the same, a percentage increased in price my company value. Then after that exists also the speculation. Some people can buy and sell this stock faster. Like they buy my stock, but they now want some other buyers come in and say, okay, you buy this stock for 1 euro, but I give you 2 euro if you give it now for me. Then this first investor selling for the other. And like this, what you're doing is speculate in the price and pumping the value of the stock. Really, actually, the value of the stock is one, but because they are willing to pay more, they can make money by speculate in the future price because they still believe that the market, that my company will value more than $2. That's why they buy now because they think now still cheaper if I buy in $2. So like this is how really working was stock. A simple way to explain. Don't worry if you don't understand something. I will make one video again, explain step by step how is create one stock. So let's continue. Now that you know a little bit how it's working with stock, let's find out how to find information about the stock inside of Etoro. So when you was here in the trade market, you chose the stock and you chose the Nasdaq. At the moment we are trading the Nasdaq. We try to find um, instrument stocks inside of the Nasdaq exchange for find good opportunities to buy. So example, let's go to Apple here. It's a company everybody know, make iPhones, MacBook. So let's go to Apple. We go to Apple. Here inside of Apple we have the feed. It means where all that this is the page of Apple. Sorry, let's explain good. This is the page of Apple where we can find information about Apple. Here we have a small info, explain what is this company, a graphic, how many followers inside of eToro looking this page and follow the page about the news what happened inside of Apple, and how many investors are inside of Apple in eToro. Okay, and from this percentage of investor inside of Apple that bought Apple, 98% of them are buy and have one increase of 2.64% from the last trading day. So you can see here a lot of information already. So this is the Fed page. Here is like the wall in Facebook where everybody can post and make news and share information and news and trading operation and analysis inside of the platform of eToro about Apple. Then we have the statistic page. Here we can see some important information for know what is the inside information about the company. Yeah, that's the best way to say. If you put here in maximum, you can see the complete graphic of all the life of Apple. If you put in one day, you can see the graphic of what was happened in the last day. And like this, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, and maximum. It's just for have a faster view of what is in the market. How many employees have the company? Who is the CEO? It means the director of the company. What kind of industry it is and which sector. You here, okay, here you have some data that we will learning in next episodes about how to choose the stock. For now, just don't worry too much about them. Here we have a financial summary. It means what is doing the company, if it's good business or no, if it's making money. Here we will make one video separate also about all this information. And a little bit more about Apple and his way to work this company. Then we have the chart where we can make us own analysis about the market, how it's moving. Okay, if you I show you one more time because I was if you click here in these two arrows, you can increase the size and you can also introduce here some tools. In the stage you have some indicators. You can put really a lot of tools for help you study the market and find new opportunities to buy or sell. We will make in the next episode in the next episodes one video only about charts and how to use the charts inside of eToro. But for now, let's continue with us explain. Then here we have the research page where we can find some data about what thinking analysis of the ranks inside of the about the stock in question. So We will make also one video explain all this data, but better to do it separate because it's a lot of information. So now you know what is a stock, how to find a stock in the Etoro, how to read in some basic information, how to find the information that users share with everybody inside of Etoro, and so how to find the chart, how to find the tip ranks data. So you have now a view of how to use it in this part of the platform of Etoro. In the next video, we're gonna learn what is an ETF, then we're gonna learn what is a crypto, then index, commodities, and currencies. For today, that's everything. If you was like the video, just please click the like button, comment down below you have some question, because for sure you're gonna have some question about this new information. If you really like this channel, just please click the subscribe button, because it's very important to me you subscribe. Like this video can go to anybody in the world more faster and will help me to grow this community. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and see you next time.